Cell Organelle Project by Nick Pagones and Abhy Venkat, Vermont.
The plasma membrane is also known as the cell membrane. The plasma membrane surrounds the cell, separating it from the outside of the cell, and only allows certain particles through the membrane. It also allows the cell to excrete waste and interact with its environment. It takes 10,000 plasma membranes to equal the thickness of a sheet of paper.
The cytoplasm is all the parts of the cell except for the nucleus. It is a place where all the organelles are found floating in the cell. The cytoplasm is about 80% water, but also includes dissolved carbs, proteins, and fats.
The control center of the cell is the nucleus. The nucleus is surrounded by two membranes called the nuclear envelope. It contains DNA in the form of chromatin. The nuclear pores allows only ribosomes in and out of the nucleus. The nucleolus is the side where the DNA is concentrated when it is in the process of making ribosomal DNA. Robert Brown discovered the nucleus.
Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. It transfers energy from organic molecules to ATP. ATP powers most of the cell's chemical reactions. Scientists believe that mitochondria were once their own bacterial cells before they create their own DNA.
Chloroplasts use light energy to make carbohydrates and form carbon dioxide and water. It is only found in plant cells, and each chloroplast has a system of flattened membranous sacs called thicoids. Chloroplasts are used for photosynthesis. They also hypothesized to have once been their own cells, like mitochondria.
Ribosomes are the small, roughly spherical organelles that are responsible for building proteins. They are made of RNA molecules and protein. It is made up of 40% protein and 60% RNA.
The cell wall is a rigid layer that lies outside the plant cell's plasma membrane. The cell walls are made up of a carbohydrate called cellulose and are also known as an extracellular matrix composed of proteins, carbohydrates, and other substances.
Plant cells have all the organelles that animal cells do, plus a central vacuole to store water, a cell wall made out of cellulose, and chloroplasts that contain chlorophyll.
The difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells is that eukaryotic cells have a nucleus that contains DNA, while prokaryotes have a nucleoid to contain DNA.
The end.